Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever noticed how a smooth, radiant complexion can completely change the way your makeup looks or how your skin feels? Well, today we're tackling an essential tool that promises just that, the Flamingo Dermaplane Razor Kit. Whether you're a skincare aficionado or someone looking for a quick way to exfoliate and remove that pesky peach fuzz, this might just be your new best friend. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a review from us. The Flamingo Dermaplane Razor Kit is designed to exfoliate your skin and remove fine hairs with its single-blade facial razor. It's a two-in-one tool that claims to help reveal smoother, brighter skin by gently sweeping away peach fuzz and dead skin cells. Included in the kit is a dermaplane handle with a blade cover, as well as 4 refillable razors, plus a pack of 9 replacement blades. The razor uses a Japanese stainless steel precision blade, which sounds fancy, but does it actually work? Let's dive in. When it comes to exfoliating, the Flamingo Dermaplane Razor Kit stands out with its pull-tab design, making blade replacement quick and easy. No fuss, no mess, just snap off the old blade and pop on the new one. It's a convenience feature that I appreciate. The handle itself is ergonomic and easy to grip, which is key when you're maneuvering it around your face. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I have to say, it's been surprisingly effective. First off, it glides smoothly over the skin, and the blade is sharp enough to remove peach fuzz without any tugging or discomfort. I love that it leaves my skin feeling instantly smoother and more radiant. After using it, my makeup applies more evenly and my skin feels like it's had a mini facial. The results are immediate. Brighter, smoother skin with no irritation. But let's talk about the trade-offs. While the razor is gentle enough for regular use, I did find that I had to be careful around more sensitive areas, like near my eyes. The blade is sharp, and while that's great for precision, it also means you need a steady hand. I also wish the handle could be a little sturdier. It's not bad, but I did feel like a bit more weight would make it feel more premium, especially for the price. Speaking of the price, this is definitely on the higher end for a dermaplaning tool. However, considering it comes with 4 refillable razors and a pack of 9 blades, I think it's a reasonable investment. The kit also delivers what it promises: smooth, glowing skin. So if you're someone who's into skincare and exfoliation, it's definitely worth the price tag. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternatives that do a similar job. Some brands offer dermaplaning tools at a lower price point, but they might not come with as many refills or the same precision blade. Still, if you're looking for something that's easy to use and gives you immediate results, you can find good options without breaking the bank. In terms of build quality, the Flamingo Dermaplane Razor Kit is solid. It's not the most luxurious feeling tool, but it gets the job done. The blades, however, are top-notch, and the fact that they're Japanese precision stainless steel makes a noticeable difference in how smoothly it glides over the skin. If you've had experience with Flamingo's customer support, you know they're quick to respond and helpful, but I've had no need to contact them myself. Still, based on their reputation, I'm confident they'd handle any issues that might arise. To sum up, this kit is a great option for anyone looking to add dermaplaning to their routine. It's easy to use, the blades are sharp, and the results are fantastic. Yes, the price is a little steeper than some other options, but for the quality and convenience, it's worth it for those who regularly exfoliate or struggle with peach fuzz. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're thinking about trying it, the link to purchase is in the description below. Have you used the Flamingo Dermaplane Razor Kit or another dermaplaning tool? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.